Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can log in into the Commonwealth Bank online banking account. Now to begin the process, you open a web browser on your PC. Then on the search bar, you type in commbank.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the Commonwealth Bank. Once you are at the web page, you need to click on the login option on the top right corner. Click on it. There you need to click on the NetBank logon. Click on it. This will redirect you to the login page for the banking account. Here you need to type in your client's number and then you need to type in your password. Once you provide both the details, you need to click on log on. This will log you in on your online banking account. But just in case if you forgot your online details, that means the login details, you can click on this link provided below. I've forgotten my login details. You click open that. This way you will be able to recover your login details for your account. Here you type in your card number and the PIN code and then click on next. And with the further process, you will be able to recover your account credential login details. This is how you can easily log in and also recover your account credential details for your online banking. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for notification. Thank you.